Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this poster in Canva in just 5 minutes. Plus, I'll show you the full tutorial. But first, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to like this video and also comment down to let me know about your opinion as well. So let's start. The first thing we're going to do is open up the Canva poster, insert this L frame and then iframe, and then we're gonna add our O and N as well. Here we go. Now let me just put them in an order like this, one by one, like this right here. Remove this extra O. Make sure that the words are in a sequence and that there is no any space between them. So here we go. Next, what we're going to do is go to elements, and from here we're gonna go to photos. Next, we are gonna go to elements again, and from here let's search for square, and we're gonna take a frame of square and then put it right here like this and decrease its width as well. Then we are going to duplicate it. First of all, let's add image in the frames from the uploads option. One by one, add all the images in all of the frames, including the text box frames. We'll click on the frame, and from here we can adjust the image. So I'm gonna increase its size like this. Similarly, we're gonna make sure that all of the images are in a line, and you have to adjust them that they make sure that all of them combine to make the image at an arranged manner. Make sure that nothing is up or down in the frame images. So let me just put them one by one and adjust them one by one in the frames. You can adjust the images in the frames using double click. Similarly, let me just put this the frame just below the L, and then similarly we're gonna duplicate it using Control plus D, and we're gonna make sure that all of them is put down below the other alphabets. So for I and O, I'm gonna make sure that the frame is joined. So let me just put another image in the bottom rectangle frames. Yeah, like this. And let me just increase the sizes. Oh yeah, like this. And we're gonna make sure that all of them are in a suitable order. Here we go. Then we are after adjusting the images, we are gonna go for the background. Here we are. And then we are gonna add a line image in the frame and put it just in the front of the frames. Make sure that it doesn't go inside the frame. And then we are gonna crop it and duplicate it and then put it on different sides. So yeah, next we are going to add the background image, which is not gonna be in the frames. We are gonna go to layers after right clicking it and then send it to the back. Here we go. So this is the final result of what we made in this video, and if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon.